In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a white object on a white background in Adobe Photoshop. This can be a bit tricky as the lack of contrast between the object and the background presents a unique challenge. But not to worry, I'll guide you step by step through the process to make it as straightforward as possible. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once it's up and running, navigate to the image size dialog if you're interested in maintaining quality while resizing images. This is a handy tool to keep in mind for future projects, although not the main focus today. Next, it's time to add your image to Photoshop. Simply drag and drop the image file onto the canvas or use the Open option from the File menu to select your image from its saved location. Once your image is open, allow it to fill the workspace so you can see the details clearly. Now the most important part, selecting the subject. Since we are dealing with a white object on a white background, automated selection tools might not work effectively because of the lack of contrast. Therefore, you'll want to use manual selection tools for accuracy. Tools like the lasso tool or the pen tool will be your best friends here. These tools allow you to trace the outline of your subject manually, giving you greater control over what is selected. With the lasso tool, you can freehand draw around your object, making minor adjustments along the way if necessary. It's robust but might require a steady hand. Alternatively, the pen tool offers precision and smoothness as you can create paths and curves around the subject. This might be a bit more time consuming, but it's great for complex shapes and edges. After carefully selecting the subject, press Enter to confirm your selection. Take a moment to zoom in and check the selection outline to ensure it's accurate and includes all parts of your object. Now that you have your selection, you can copy it to a new layer, adjust it with masks, or modify according to your creative needs. And there you have it, a neatly selected white subject from a white background. It's a technique that may require some patience at first, but mastering it will definitely up your Photoshop game. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to practice to become more comfortable with these manual selection tools. See you in the next tutorial.